So this is rack number 2. Decided to change the design a wee bit. These parts here, I'm just going to drill between these two wee bars here to attach to the bike, and the same on these two bars. Drill a wee hole here, 5mm hole, and that'll attach with a rub nut to the fork. This one's a bit better. Still needs a bit of clean up on the inside. I need to take a grinder to that, and then maybe touch up any wee bits and bobs. I made the hoop shorter because the hoop didn't need to be as long as that, which makes the overall thing feel a lot sturdier, stronger. So a wire rack, very strong, should last, well, bit of paint on it, should last a long time. Should be able to carry anything, and if it breaks at all, it's very easy to fix, and it probably cost you about £4 or less to make it, depending how much you pay for your steel. So that's a steel wire rack.